Hello everybody, it's Filipe Barros here and a huge warm welcome to my channel. I help and inspire people in dance, and I've got influences in styles like West Coast swing, hip hop, dance hall, ballet, contemporary house and more. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some fun, cool moves that you can do at parties with your friends, at weddings, or even by yourself. So let's go. So our first fun and cool dance move is a step tap, but with a difference. We're going to be stepping and tapping, but we're going to be pushing away as if that is what's making us to move to the side like this, and it feels fun to do. So what we can do here is our normal step tap. So step and tap, step and tap, step and tap, step and tap. But to add a bit more flavor, I want to think about the knees always being bent, and every time I step or tap, I'm bouncing, but always the knees always being bent. Even when I come back up, they don't have to go straight. So it's like this: step, tap, and step and tap. And then we can think about relaxing the head if it wants to have its own groove, the body with its own groove, the knees as well, and the ankles. Then we're going to push away. I might want to angle my body as I'm doing that, maybe roll this shoulder as I do that, and yeah, you can enjoy yourself. You can have doubles like this. Here you can express in your face how you're feeling with the groove. Doubles here. You can even add your fist. You can look the way you're coming from, like this. So you can really, have fun with that move. Our second move, which is fun, and I love this one, I like to call it a snake from side to side, and we're going to add a clap into it as well. So what I mean by that is we're going to snake like this: 1, 2, and 3. But you can also leave the head if you want to. 2, 3. We're going to clap and kick that leg out. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Love it. So you can think about leading the head, or keep the head more still and use the body, or you can think about the head going first. I'm looking where I want the head to go, and I'm going to go 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to jump, and that foot comes out. But at the same time, I'm going to clap, and then carry on. 1, 2, 3, and then go on the other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fun one. Good one for parties. Now for our third fun move is a point, and the pas de bourrée. And it looks like this: point, pas de bourrée. On a point, pas de bourrée, point, pas de bourrée, and point, pas de bourrée. And that arms is optional what you do in that. And have fun with it. You'll start to find yourself naturally doing stuff to it. So for that one, I'm doing a point forwards, and then a point backwards. Notice how I'm angling my body as well, away from the foot coming forwards, which is kind of natural because the foot's coming forwards. I want to counterbalance the weight. And then as the foot comes backwards, I'm coming forwards here. So let's practice that together. I see you practicing at home. You look great. So here we go, 1, 2. I'm also thinking you can either have a nice straight foot like this, or you can play with it, do stuff like that, more of a flexed foot, whatever tickles your fancy. But for now, I'm going to do a point, and then a pas de bourrée, which if you've been on this channel long enough, you know I love this move. I've done this in my West Coast swing videos. I think I've done it in my solo videos as well, which is going to be crossing behind, and then I'm going to be stepping out and then out. Okay, so again, together we're going to be stepping behind, that foot comes out, and this one comes back in. So we're going to do that one again. We're going to go out, and then that foot comes in. Other side, we can try that as well. Out, in. Here we go. So it's pas de bourrée. I like to change levels, like down on the last part, boom, and boom, and boom. And now those points. So point, ready to go, pas de bourrée, and then point, pas de bourrée, and then point, pas de bourrée. You can add a ronde in your pas de bourrée, like that, and point, ronde, pa da da. Have fun with that one. For our fourth move now, we're thinking about where we're going to do a step tap crossing behind like this, but I'm putting the hand up and then clicking as I do that. And I might even swap hands actually. So I'm looking the way the foot is going, then other hand comes up, looking where the hand goes. It's so nice when you can look different directions rather than forwards. It adds a nice little flavor and flair to it. So here we go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So it's our step and then cross behind, step and cross behind. I might want to angle my body as I do that. But we're adding a nice straight hand, not like really locked out, but a straight hand, and then bring it diagonal as I bring that foot behind, like this. Boom, and boom. We can add a jump into it as well if you want to. You can go boom, jump, and jump, and jump. Nice. Well done. I see you doing that. And now for our 5th fun move, it's going to be a tap step like this, but I'm going to be going forwards. But we're going to add a little bit more to this. So first of all, we can obviously change the angle of the body, but I can also pump the hand to the side. I might even do the opposite hand to the opposite leg, like this. Boom, boom. I want to stay low if I want to, both knees bent, to make it more hip-hop-y. Boom, with that bounce, of course, it has to, hip-hop will have that bounce. Boom. Or if you want to have it more like that, that's another option as well. Then you can step out to the side and add those. Boom. Very fun. So, enjoy. And so for that, I'm bringing the elbow to the side. It's like I'm hitting a wall and then coming back. I'm not hitting it and then bring it back. It's like a ricochet and it comes back. Ricochet and comes back. And it's super satisfying to do. Very fun. Like this. And I'm doing the same time as that foot coming forward. And in terms of the foot, I'm not transferring weight on it. If you do that, it'll be hard, it'll be a different move and you have to come back and it'll take longer. But if I just put the weight on the ball and then come back, I'm going down to come back. It's like springing myself back at the same time as using that arm. Boom. I might want to put my body very slightly over it, not too far, because otherwise you've got more effort to come back, which could be another choreographic choice of yours. Like me to teach a fun workshop in your community, whichever country you're in, then that would be an honor for me to do that. So do contact me, and more details are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, I'd love to invite you to click on that like button. Amazing. And in case you don't know, I offer private lessons. This can be done here in person in Lisbon in Portugal, or it can also be done online. We don't let distance become an issue, because we can do it online as well together. So if you're interested in that, you're welcome to check out the description below, which has details on how you can contact me. And it'll be an honor to work with you to help you grow as a dancer. And I'd love to wish you all a wonderful day, and don't forget to enjoy your dancing.